Hello my students, how are you? In the last lesson we stopped at the paragraph group and finished it. Today we will move to the editing group and we will learn about the icons in it and the function of each icons, As for the drawing group, we will explain it on the insert tab. Okay? The editing group has three icons: find, replace, select. We will only learn about find and replace function. If you created a long presentation for a particular event or concept and then realize that you used the wrong terminology across the presentation, then what would you do? Yes, you can manually find the problem word and replace it as each occurrence, but what if you have more than a few slides? What if you have more than a few slides? Or even then, you might miss out locating the problem word in some occurrences. Your best choice is to do replace using find and replace. Best choice using find and replace. For example, I want to search for the picture word in the slides. From the editing group, click on find. Find what? Enter Petra. Petra is the word that we will search for in all slides. Then, when we click on Find Next, it will search the next line in the specified slide. We notice that the Petra word that we searched for was identified by highlighted it. Click on Find Next. Moving on to the second slide to repeat the same process, which is searching for the Petra word. Click on Find Next. Moving onto the third slide. Moving onto the third slide to repeat the same process. Petra was highlighted. Click on the Find Next. Also, Petra was highlighted. Petra word was highlighted. Find Next. Moving onto the fourth slide. When we click on the Find Next, moving onto the fourth slide to repeat the same process also, which is searching for the Petra word and highlighted. If we want to replace Petra word with another word, for example, irbid, we must click on the replace button. Click on the replace button. I want to replace Petra word with irbid word. And replace with write irbid. we have two buttons, replace and replace all, replace and replace all. We use replace to replace a single instance of the found word. Replace to replace a single instance of the found word. And we use replace all to replace all instances of the found word. I want to replace Petra word with the Irbid word in the all slides. Click the replace all button. PowerPoint searched your presentation and made 5 replacements. Click on OK and close. By going back to all the slides, slide number 1, 2, we note that Petra has been replaced by Irbid. Slide number 2, also Petra has been replaced by Irbid word. Also slide number 3, and slide number 4, Petra has been replaced by the Irbid word.